Good morning, students. Today I will discuss chapter number 2 of economics. The name of the chapter is Sectors of Indian Economy. As we know that we are living in India. India is a big country where the economy is mixed. Today I will discuss 2 points of this chapter. The points are organized sector and unorganized sectors. As you can see on the blackboard, it is written here, sectors of Indian economy. Organized sector, it is a sector where terms of employment are fixed. It means that what the actions the employee has to do is already fixed. At the time of giving employment to the employee, all the works have to be assigned, they have to do. Second is assured work. It means that that person will get the work for which he is employed. And the salary will also get on the time whenever it is applicable for the work that he has completed. And in organized sectors there are different acts which are applicable. Some of the important acts I have already mentioned on the blackboard. One by one I will explain. First is Factories Act. Factories Act, it is an important act which says that where the employee will work, the place should be safe and sound. There should be no danger of their life there. This is the says of Factory Act. Second act is Minimum Wages Act. This act says that the employee will get a minimum salary, minimum wages, for which the post he or she occupies. Suppose a person who is at the lower level will get the minimum wages for that post. Suppose that person is employed at a higher scale, higher post, then he will get maximum wages of that level. That should be in the initial stage at the minimum level. Payment of Gratuity Act. It means that at the time of retirement, the employee will get some amount. Gratuity Act is very much crucial where the work is in organized sector. Gratuity, first of all, try to understand what is gratuity. Gratuity is a fixed amount that is paid by the employer to the employee at the time of retirement. Suppose a person who has completed 40 years of service in an organization, that person will get 40 months divided by 2, means 20 months salary without any work at the time of retirement. That is called gratuity. This act is very crucial, as I have already told you. And next one is Shop and Establishment Act. This act says that wherever there is any organization which is functioning for a special work or some work, they have to get registered with the government authorities. Without there, they cannot operate their factories, shops, establishments, godowns, showrooms, etc. You can see in Macharatta area, in every shop there is a certificate issued by Bihar government, Department of Shop and Establishment Act. It means that no authority can close that shop without the government authority. It authorizes the institutions to work for which they have applied. But if you go on the unorganized sectors, you will find a lot of problems. Therefore, no person in our country particularly is interested to work in unorganized sector. Our work is also in unorganized sectors. Here, no terms of employment are already specified. It means that whatever the employer wants, the employee has to do that. No terms of employment. No guarantee of work. It means that the employer can any time evict the employee without any reason, suitable reason. Therefore, there is no guarantee of work. You can see a number of persons who are standing on the chalk where they are waiting for some work to get from any person, there is no guarantee of work. Sometimes no person will get any type of job. And last is no acts here applicable. Here, the wishes and wishes of employer are said to be acts. Means that मालिक जो भी चाहेगा वही कानून बनेगा. यहाँ पर कोई कानून की महत्व नहीं. Therefore, in my opinion, every person should inculcate those qualities which can enable them to work in organized sectors. Unorganized sectors should not exist in our country. You go through the 2 pages of this chapter, you will find a lot of things. In the next video, I will say more about these 2 terms. If you have any query, any question, any doubt, any suspicion, you can raise those points through WhatsApp group. I will explain at that time. Thank you.